Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Kingfisher Goa Pro League is getting exciting as the season nears its end. The top 4 teams in the Super League phase are separated by just 5 points. Sargonga lead the table with 22 points. And Dempo's thumping 4-0 victory over Sporting Club de Goa on Sunday opened up the table further. Yusuke Kato's performance was the highlight of Dempo's win. 2 goals for the Japanese striker along with a strong performance playing up front as a striker.
This was a very important match for both teams. A win for either team would do their position in the Super League only good. Dempo opened the scoring in the 30th minute through Japanese Yusuke Kato. But Kato would have hoped this swift run of his would have resulted in his first Pro League goal. Sporting too created a few chances, but Dempo had way more chances at Sporting's goal owing to better play and ball possession in the midfield. In the 43rd minute, Valerian Ribello scored a stunner from 30 yards. The second half start saw Kato alert to the situation when a Romeo Fernandes cross was directed goalwards. Sporting failed to clear their lines and Kato was once again in the right place to smash home of a rebound. Sporting followed up with some chances but failed to get on the score sheet. India international right back Debrata Roy would have looked silly had this defensive header gone in his own goal. Dempo could have had a fifth if not for the crossbar. Deep in the second half, Clifton Gonsalves held his nerve as he sidestepped Sporting's custodian and scored Dempo's 4th of the match. The match ended Dempo 4, Sporting 0. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Of late, Yusuke Kato has many reasons to be happy. He has just turned 26. He made a short but promising debut in the I-League. The former Huracan striker has scored his first GFA Pro League goals and looked very impressive against Sporting Club on Sunday. Prudent caught up with the striker off the football ground while the striker told Prudent on his new journey as an I-Leaguer and as a Dempo Sports Club player.
Because we are about to see Yusuke Kato coming on for Clifford Miranda. First appearance then for the Japanese player.
Kato, how did you feel after you scored those goals yesterday?
I'm very happy for my family, my friends in Japan, my teammate. Yeah, I'm very happy. Scored 2 goals, I'm very happy.
Happy with your performance, apart from the goals?
Yeah, my performance not very good, but yeah.
Okay, not bad.
Okay,
Good
no,
start.
yeah, good start.
You said on your blog you're an I-Leaguer now.
Yeah.
So how did that feeling sink into you? Okay, I'm going to play for one of the best clubs in India, right?
Difficult. My feeling is happy. I was I had injury a long time. I cannot play. I could not play many much time. So I had to start. Start the career of the football once more.
Now how is your injury now?
No, nothing.
And you liking Goa right now? It's very hot for you?
Yes. I like very much Goa. Very hot, too hot for me, but I like.
You've gone to the beaches around. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes. No every day, but sometimes I go to the beach and walking, running. Yeah.
Kato, we wish you all the best.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Ferrari.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us @PrudentGoa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.